What is miscarriage actually?
For any couple, a non-medical person is going to look at pregnancy loss equals to miscarriage.
So what is autoimmune?
माँ की बॉडी अपनी बॉडी को ही रिजेक्ट कर देती है.
A lot of couples come to me. The most common question which is there and most common case which I've seen is कि first child तो abort करते हैं couples. Now recurrent miscarriages हो रहे हैं. So I want to understand and many of us want this answer कि ये क्यों होता है. Hello, Dietitian Shaila, welcome you all on an episode of Unshamed Fertility. Let's talk raw with fertility दोस्त. So आज हमने डॉक्टर मुग्धा राउत को बुलाया था एंड उन्होंने हमें एक ऐसे टॉपिक का सल्यूशन दिया है जो कि बहुत सारे कपल्स ढूंढ रहे होंगे विच इज़ मिसकैरेज. एंड उन्होंने इम्यूनोलॉजी के बारे में जो बात किया कि उसकी वजह से भी मिसकैरेजेस होते हैं जो कि किसी चीज़ में नहीं, रिपोर्ट में नहीं आता है. एंड इसी तरह के कपल्स फर्टिलिटी दोस्त में मेरे पास आते हैं टू शेयर देयर प्रॉब्लम्स, टू फाइंड अ सोल्यूशन फॉर इट. एंड वी गाइड देम क्या प्रॉपर डाइट से, योगा से एंड बहुत से लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस से अपने सोल्यूशंस ढूंढ सकते हैं. बट अल्टीमेटली अगर इम्यून सिस्टम इज़ एन इशू, उसको सॉल्व करने का सोल्यूशन जो डॉक्टर मुग्धा राउत ने बताया हमें, दैट इज़ द बेस्ट. सो कपल्स दोज हु आर स्ट्रगलिंग विथ मिसकैरेजेस एंड देयर ड्रीम्स आर नॉट फुलफिल्ड ऑफ अ चाइल्ड का लॉस इज़ अ बिग थिंग फॉर अ फैमिली, फॉर अ कपल. This is the best solution for them which they can try. And if with this podcast we can help at least 5 to 10 couples, it will be such an achievement for us. So let's dive into it. Hello doctor, how are you?
I'm very good. And thanks for inviting me to this wonderful podcast.
Yeah, we are lucky to have you here because you know our couples want to know a lot of things about miscarriages and you are the right person for it. Correct? So please shed some light on miscarriage. Like what is miscarriage actually? क्या होता है miscarriage?
So see, pregnancy loss is a miscarriage. Okay. For any couple, a non-medical person is going to look at pregnancy loss equals to miscarriage. अब अगर medically देखा जाए तो the definition is any loss of pregnancy less than 20 वीक्स, यानी 5 months के अंदर जो भी लॉस है उसको मिसकैरेज डिफाइन किया जाता है.
तो क्या जो कपल जैसे 8 weeks हो जाते हैं, नो हार्ट बीट इज कमिंग, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू साइंस कितना वेट करना चाहिए कपल्स को टू यू नो सी कि हार्ट बीट आती है नहीं आती है? व्हाट इज द ड्यूरेशन अकॉर्डिंग?
See, when no heartbeat appears, like there has to be a particular time जब हार्ट बीट्स आने चाहिए. यूजुअली 6 weeks में हार्ट बीट्स आने चाहिए. अगर 8 weeks तक नहीं आते हैं तो हार्ट बीट्स विल नॉट कम. आई नो इट्स अ सैड फैक्ट बट मेडिकली वी हैव टू टेल कि नहीं आने वाले हैं एंड दे शुड नॉट वेट लॉन्गर. द रीज़न बीइंग दैट कि as the pregnancy progresses, as the tissue remains in the mother's body, it produces certain changes. माँ की बॉडी में ऐसे changes हो जाते हैं जिससे the mother's blood clotting gets affected. So blood clotting gets affected, so the more you wait, the more chances they are. So as soon as possible, we say 4 weeks is a time limit to wait. उसके बाहर नहीं wait करना है, but of course repeatedly test करने पड़ते हैं कि whether the mother's body is getting affected. And अगर ऐसा हो रहा है तो definitely then it's not good to continue the pregnancy. It's a loss. It's a loss. Yeah.
So how do you deal with such kind of patients? You know, like, you know, when people come to us and they are repetitively saying that we are losing a child, which is a big thing for every mother or a father, both. So how you approach the case?
So see, let me first tell you, Shaila, that basically my husband and me are both gynecologists and we are something called clinical reproductive immunologists. So we are the only 2 clinical reproductive immunologists approved by the American board in India.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah, there are 40 worldwide of which we are the only 2 approved.
So could you just tell our viewers that what is... Yeah.
So we don't do IVF. This is not IVF. And we don't do our regular gynec practice. We only do clinical reproductive immunology. And we have 6 centers all over India in Mumbai, Nagpur, Pune, Delhi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. And we do some process called LIT, which is our patented and branded process.
Okay. We'll come to LIT.
Yeah,
for
sure. Yeah. So let me tell you what is reproductive immunology.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, reproductive immunology, it's not a new concept. It's a very old concept. But what is reproductive immunology is, see, any pregnancy is 50% mother and 50% father. So 50% of the part which comes from the father, वो माँ की body से अलग होता है. Okay? And our body doesn't accept anything which is different.
Foreign.
Yeah, foreign. Yeah. जैसे हमें इन्फेक्शन हो, बैक्टीरिया वायरस अपनी बॉडी में आ जाते हैं, दे आर प्रोटीन्स आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अपनी बॉडी की प्रोटीन से. सो आवर इम्यून सिस्टम अंडरस्टैंड्स दैट एंड फाइट्स इट. लड़ते हैं. अगर आप ट्रांसप्लांट देखते हो, लाइक आजकल सब जगह ट्रांसप्लांट होते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट, हैंड ट्रांसप्लांट. अभी ट्रांसप्लांट में भी जो डोनर है, मीन जो देता है, समझो हमने किडनी सोचा, किडनी देता है, और जो किडनी लेता है उसको भी मैच करना पड़ता है. अगर वो मैच नहीं होते तो इम्यून सिस्टम नोज ये अलग प्रोटीन है और वो उसको ग्रो नहीं करने दिया. और यहाँ हम बात करें प्रेगनेंसी की, जो माँ की बॉडी से 50% डिफरेंट है, एंड माँ की बॉडी उसे एक्सेप्ट करती है, एंड वो इट ग्रोज टू टर्म. द रीज़न इज प्रेगनेंसी को एक स्पेशल दर्जा है, एंजॉयज अ स्पेशल इम्यूनोलॉजिकल स्टेटस. एंड जब माँ की जब प्रेगनेंसी यूट्रस में आ जाती है तो एम्ब्रियो माँ की बॉडी को सिग्नल्स देते हैं कि ये एम्ब्रियो आ गया है, सो इसको अच्छी तरह से रखना है 9 महीने के लिए, एंड लेट इट ग्रो. सो देन माँ की बॉडी प्रोड्यूसेस सर्टन एंटीबॉडीज जो प्रेगनेंसी को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, और इम्यून सिस्टम को बोलते हैं यहाँ आना नहीं है, एंड लेट इट ग्रो टू टर्म.
कॉज हो सकता है ना मिसकैरेज का.
तो अगर ये डेवलप नहीं होता है इम्यून प्रोटेक्शन, तो हर टाइम माँ की बॉडी प्रेगनेंसी आएगी तो इम्यून सिस्टम उसको रिजेक्ट कर देती है.
तो ये एक कॉज हो गया. ऐसे और कितने कॉजेस है एक्चुअली मिसकैरेज के, लाइक इन जनरल व्हेन यू सी?
सो सी, मिसकैरेजेस के कॉजेस बहुत है. नाउ फर्स्ट इज वी लुक एट जेनेटिक फैक्टर्स. जेनेटिक यानी हर एक में क्रोमोसोम्स रहते हैं. सो वी हैव कम विद अ सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स. तो वो क्रोमोसोमल अगर प्रॉब्लम है, या बच्चे में क्रोमोसोम के प्रॉब्लम होते हैं, तो प्रेगनेंसी नेचर विल नॉट अलाउ एन एब्नॉर्मल प्रेगनेंसी टू ग्रो. ओके. दूसरा होता है कुछ स्ट्रक्चरल, यानी माँ की यूट्रस में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो, कभी कुछ फाइब्रॉइड होता है, और बाय बर्थ देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड अ सेप्टम और अदर इश्यूज आर देयर. फादर के स्पर्म में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, स्पर्म डीएनए फ्रैगमेंटेशन में नॉट बी गुड, स्पर्म क्वालिटी में नॉट बी गुड, इन ये हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट इज वी लुक एट हार्मोनल. हार्मोनल में थायराइड, PCOS और प्रोलैक्टिन. या सो PCOS is becoming very common these days, and it is because अपनी lifestyle भी change हो गई है. Okay, so जब
lot of factors influencing.
Yeah, and PCOS affects the quality of the egg. Quality egg खराब हो गई तो obviously pregnancy will not be good.
Agreed.
Okay, then we look at metabolic, यानी उसे किसी uncontrolled diabetes हो, high blood pressure हो, तो भी the pregnancy is not going to grow to term. Look at infections. There are certain infections जो अगर pregnancy को affect होते हैं, जैसे रूबेला, तो pregnancy will not be allowed to grow. So pregnancy will not be allowed to grow. तो अगर that's the next factor. Then the third is the blood clotting or thrombophilias.
Yeah.
तो अगर blood, see, every time our blood does clot.
Okay.
लेकिन अगर वो blood जल्दी clot हो गया, तो प्रेगनेंसी के जो वेसल्स, द वेसल्स विच सप्लाई द प्रेगनेंसी, उधर भी क्लॉट हो जाता है, एंड प्रेगनेंसी को ब्लड फ्लो नहीं मिलता है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई देन द प्रेगनेंसी कैन नॉट ग्रो. नाउ दीज आर द नोन कॉजेस. Let me tell you, in majority of the cases, 50 to 60% of the causes are unknown, and these couples are left to nature. and these patients could be having an immunological issue जिसे हम alloimmune बोलते हैं, not autoimmune, it's called alloimmune,
Okay.
and that is what we deal with.
Okay. So what is autoimmune?
Autoimmune means माँ की बॉडी अपनी बॉडी को ही रिजेक्ट कर देती है. That is autoimmune.
That's
Our
right.
body attacks to our own tissue. Okay.
Many people don't know that.
Yeah.
कई लोगों को नहीं
हाँ,
पता
so
है.
they confuse autoimmune with alloimmune. तो autoimmune क्या होता है? See, any pregnancy, I said 50% mother, 50% father. अगर माँ की बॉडी में ही autoimmune antibodies है तो वो मदर के पार्ट को ही डिस्ट्रॉय कर देंगे. एंड alloimmune is कि वो फादर की पार्ट को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. So, as in Fertility Dost, I take free consultations for people, those who are struggling with infertility, and a lot of couples come to me. The most common question which is there, and most common case which I've seen is कि first child तो abort कर दिया couples ने. Now recurrent miscarriages हो रहे हैं. So I want to understand, and many of us want this answer, कि ये क्यों होता है. And second thing is कि recurrent miscarriages क्या होता है. Both the things.
So, see, first thing that couples should remember कि जब उन्होंने abort करवाया था first pregnancy, we don't know उनके क्या circumstances थे, and maybe they were in genuine trouble कि जिसके लिए उनको abort करवाना पड़ा. Second thing is that we don't know the outcome वो pregnancy का क्या होता. शायद वो भी miscarry कर देता. So that factors को जो पहले थे वो बाद में भी हो सकते हैं. So one thing is उनको ना they have to take out of their mind कि हमने करवाया, इसके लिए बार
That's
बार
a
हो रहा है.
baggage ना.
Yeah. See, जैसे when you ask this, I remember हमारे patient आए थे. So she told me कि उसको आई थिंक 5 मिसकैरेजेस हुआ और एक उन्होंने पहले अबॉर्ट करवाया था. तो वो बोली यू नो व्हाट, पहले मैंने बच्चे को रिजेक्ट किया, अभी बच्चा मुझे बार बार रिजेक्ट कर रहा है.
That's bad.
सो ये नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट ट्रू मेडिकली. ये मुझे बहुत सबको बोलना है कि ये सही नहीं है.
And they get into depression.
ऑफ कोर्स दे विल, या कि क्यों ऐसे हो रहा है. एंड नाउ व्हेन वी से रिकरेंट मिसकैरेजेस मेडिकली हम बोलते हैं 2 से ज़्यादा जब मिसकैरेजेस होते हैं लेस देन 20 वीक्स ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी, यानी 5 मंथ्स के अंदर, तो उसको रिकरेंट मिसकैरेजेस बोलते हैं. या सो बेसिकली आफ्टर 2 मिसकैरेजेस at the second miscarriage itself, investigations have to start. यानी from genetic investigation, genetic testing of the pregnancy, genetic testing of the parents. जैसे मैंने बोला यूट्रस में कुछ हो सकता है, फादर के स्पर्म फैक्टर में कुछ हो सकता है, लाइफस्टाइल. Now, see, I am not saying anything good, bad or anything, but smoking, recreational drugs, alcohol बहुत common हो गया है. And I'm not saying good or bad about it, but yes, it does affect
the
lifestyle and it does affect the reproductive issues.
Correct.
फिर खाना भी जो होता है, fast food has become the norm.
Very common.
So this is also responsible for one of the causes for miscarriages.
Agreed.
Then check yourself before, keep yourself healthy. Usually many times we see that they are not healthy. Of course they may be in depression, I'm not saying no, जिसके कारण वो उनको they want to eat more and then so get into a healthy.
But there is a help for depression too, right?
Yes, and they should take it early.
Yeah, they should
Don't
take
wait.
counseling.
Yeah.
They should.
Because see, people talk insensitively, unknowingly to them.
Yeah.
Correct? And हम लोगों का मुंह बंद नहीं कर सकते, but we have to know how we should react.
Exactly. In many cases मेरे पास ऐसा आता है ना कि वो लोग शादियों में जाना छोड़ देते हैं.
Exactly.
इस डर से कि कोई कुछ पूछ
ले शादियों में, घर के फंक्शंस में, बर्थडे पार्टीज में कि हमें क्या बोलेंगे, या नेमिंग सेरेमनी में कभी कभी लोग बुलाते भी नहीं हैं उनको. So it is a very sad situation, but there is help available. They should remember and don't feel sad to meet a psychiatrist or counselor कि जो आपकी मदद कर सकता है.
Yes.
Yeah.
Agreed.
And meet a doctor who will do all the investigations early on. Why should a couple wait for 4 miscarriages, 5 IVF failures?
Yeah.
Or like we had a couple from Ireland who had 15 miscarriages.
Oh my God. That's too much.
And of those 7 were IVF pregnancies. Imagine कि वो इतने तड़प रहे थे कि why wait? Then they found us on the internet. They came here and did the therapy and then they went
Get
back.
a success.
Another I remember मेरे husband के यहाँ patient आए थे. So the husband told my Dr. Mohan that हमें ना हम आपके यहाँ आए हैं, हमें बच्चा बंद करने का ऑपरेशन करना है. तो एज अ रूटीन क्वेश्चन वी हैव टू आस्क कि आपके कितने बच्चे हैं. तो ही सेड हमारे बच्चे नहीं हैं. एंड ही सेड अब तक व्हाट वी हैव काउंटेड 14 बार मिसकैरेज हुआ है. अभी हमें ये हर टाइम का प्रॉब्लम नहीं चाहिए. इससे अच्छा हम बच्चा बंद करने का ऑपरेशन करेंगे. तो उनको हमने सजेस्ट किया कि आप ये थेरेपी करो. उन्होंने टेस्ट किए, उनकी थेरेपी की और अभी उनको एक बेटी है. एंड दे आर सो हैप्पी. दे सेड बस हमें एक बेटी मिल गई, हमें बहुत अच्छी. लेकिन व्हाई शुड दे वेट फॉर सो लॉन्ग? कि व्हेन हेल्प इज अवेलेबल, व्हेन वी आर देयर.
People don't know about this actually.
Yeah. And this is a common question what people ask us. Why were we not told about you earlier? We would have wasted. See, it is not only about physical, mental pain. It is also about even a lot of financial loss, a lot of issues like people, money. People wait for even studying further. कि because अभी आगे हम क्या करेंगे? Should we wait for our MBA? क्योंकि ये family complete हो जाने दो, नहीं हो रही है. So it is a big loss for them. And then, as I said, then when we investigate, each factor should be investigated early. क्यों? Why 2 miscarriages के बाद या like one person told us कि मुझे ना 2 miscarriages हुए. Second miscarriage, मेरी दीदी को 2 miscarriages हुए. Second miscarriage में उसको complete bed rest बोला. उसने complete bed rest लिया, फिर भी उसको miscarriage हुआ. But we have to investigate. That is our responsibility.
We are trying and testing things by ourselves और जा नहीं रहे हैं, investigate solution नहीं ढूंढ रहे हैं. Actually there are people के ना जो solution ढूंढ रहे हैं, because on a daily basis हमें बहुत calls आती हैं कि ये हमारा केस है, solve कर दो मैम. Like एक केस आया था that पहले तो miscarriage हुआ and bleeding हुई, but second में bleeding नहीं हुई. So they were surprised कि मैम miscarriage है नहीं, आप बता दो. So what in those cases, what do you suggest?
मिसकैरेज के टाइप्स अलग अलग होते हैं. अभी मिसकैरेज में कभी ब्लीडिंग हो सकती है, कभी उसको हम मिस्ड मिसकैरेज बोलते हैं. मिस्ड एक्चुअली मींस देयर इज नो ब्लीडिंग. तो समझता नहीं है बाहर से. ओनली व्हेन यू गो टू सी सोनोग्राफी, डू द सोनोग्राफी, वी सी हार्ट बीट्स नहीं है. सो कभी कभी हार्ट बीट्स होने के बाद ब्लीडिंग शुरू होती है और अपने आप प्रेगनेंसी लॉस हो जाती है. अनदर टाइप इज वेयर इट्स कॉल्ड अ मिस्ड मिसकैरेज कि हार्ट बीट्स अचानक से बंद होते. सो देयर इज no way that we can really find out कि ये missed miscarriage है. Because see, we can't keep doing sonography every day.
Correct.
We can't keep doing blood tests every day to find out how they are doing. But this can happen and it is really a sad thing because it becomes a shock. कि हम sonography में गए और heartbeats नहीं है.
How disheartening this is ना? How disheartening. Like people won't go in depression or what? वो क्या करेंगे? They keep thinking like ये तो चलो हो गया कि छोटे छोटे ड्यूरेशन में मिसकैरेज हुआ. There are people 4 months बाद मिसकैरेज होता है and वो केसेस भी आप लोग के हो जाते हैं. Like what is the success rate?
See, the success rate in selected patients is about 75 to 80%. But selected. There are specific blood tests to be done. तो we are trying to tell people जब आप बाकी सब कर रहे हो तो उसके साथ में हमारे भी टेस्ट करवा लो.
Okay, so there is a different set of tests also.
Which are required, and then if it is there, we can diagnose it early.
Okay.
We can treat you early.
Early stage पे
Yeah. Yeah. So see, now why we like to talk on these podcasts is because you know what? People don't know कि ये treatment existing है.
Correct.
We will come to the treatment afterwards. But क्या होता है ना? Everyone knows about IVF. लोगों को लगता है IVF हमारे miscarriage का solution होगा.
Yeah.
But then if immunological problem is there, IVF fail भी हो सकता है.
IVF में भी तो miscarriage.
And IVF में miscarriage हो सकते हैं. So unless you treat this basic cause,
Yeah.
then till then you will not be able to find a solution. And then you can treat early. So हमें तो बहुत बुरा लगता है कि 5-5, 6-6 बार IVF किए होते हैं या पहले miscarriages हैं. Like currently we are treating a patient जिसके 7 miscarriages हुए हैं and then 18 embryo transfers हुए हैं.
18.
Yeah. And we were very surprised कि इतने में 7 miscarriages. No one ever told her that.
What is the cause of the miscarriage?
And then she changed her IVF doctor, and her IVF doctor then referred. So abhi we are just treating her now,
Okay.
and now she has undergone multiple very difficult case, but just praying that she does well. Yeah.
Yeah, let's pray. And Dr. Rao, tell me about the solution now. Like many of us are waiting for it. Please tell us about the solution.
So the treatment for this in selected cases, there are certain special tests which are done by standard laboratories like Metropolis, Agilis, there is Lal Path Lab, there is Apollo Diagnostics. They all do these tests. So we get the test done from the standard laboratories. So there are certain, पहले जैसे मैंने बोला था कि the protective antibodies are formed. We test the protective antibodies. So that is called a lymphocyte cross-match test. Okay. वो अगर negative है तो this problem is there definitely. Then we test for something called natural killer cells. उनके अगर percentage high low होंगे तो भी this problem exists. Then there is something called tumor necrosis factor. Means tumor destroying factor, TNF alpha उसे बोलते हैं. वो high होता है तो भी pregnancy को tumor की तरह treat करता है. Because pregnancy is dividing tissue. Yeah. And then there is something called anti-thyroid antibodies. अगर आपको thyroid का issue है या नहीं है, आपको anti-thyroid antibodies हो सकते हैं which can affect the immune system. So we get the test done. And fifth, the treatment consists of, like, our patented process is called Immulate, which is based on LIT.
Okay.
LIT is lymphocyte immunization therapy. Okay. Now the way we do it is a single sitting 3-hour procedure. उसमें कोई anesthesia नहीं होता है. No fasting is required. The couple comes to our center in 3 hours. We finish the procedure and they can go back. It's like a OPD procedure.
Complete process is for 3 hours.
3 hours. So what is lymphocyte immunization therapy? Is, as I said, the embryo sends some signals to the mother's body. We make use of the same signals.
Okay.
So now we can't use an embryo because an embryo is precious. And अगर हम वो lab से निकालते हैं तो we have to sterilize it. So the signals are lost.
Yeah.
But like we say ना, ऊपर वाले ने solution भी दिया है उसके लिए. Our blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets.
Agree.
The white blood cells are of 5 types, जिसमें 1 type are called lymphocytes. Lymphocytes have the same signals on them. So we can use anyone else's blood except the patient.
Oh.
So we generally use husband's blood.
Okay.
If husband is not fit for some reason or is not available, then we can use any donor also. Any tested donor. We are very particular on testing for infections in the way and they should be done. So we use the lymphocytes, we separate the white blood, we separate the lymphocytes out of that and then inject them in the wife. And then they are supposed to wait either for 4 weeks or 8 weeks to plan the pregnancy.
Okay.
अगर उनको naturally रुक रही है तो they can try for natural conception. Miscarriage के बाद naturally भी रह सकती है. We've had many patients who had 5 miscarriages, 6 miscarriages, and ये treatment के बाद they have conceived naturally.
Okay. So like in case कोई है जो दूर से travel कर रहा है, because there are pan India we have patients. So कोई दूर से अगर travel करके आ रहा है, what is the time duration which they have to stay?
It is a single sitting. The way we do it, single sitting 3-hour process.
Okay.
So they have to just
after that they can travel?
Yeah, they can travel immediately. Now, Mumbai is our main center. We have centers in Nagpur, Pune, Delhi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. So generally, हमारी process क्या है? हम लोग we do online consultation.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so it's a proper consultation where we give time to the patient, whether it's on a WhatsApp video call or a Zoom call. Then the patients get the investigations done from their respective cities. जैसे मैंने बोले ये standard labs जो है they are there in most of the cities. So they get it done in the respective cities. वो हमें reports भेजते हैं. Then we have a follow-up call.
Okay.
Then either the patient can travel to Mumbai if it's a little urgent कि उनको IVF plan करना है. Then they come to Mumbai. Otherwise, we have every month we have fixed dates where we travel to the centers. So then we call them to that particular center. उस दिन हम उनको we batch it in 3-hour batches, and then we finish those in the center. Maybe a day or two we are at the center. We complete the process, and then the patient can go in 3 hours.
That's good.
And then when the follow-up has to be done, like when they conceive, there is certain protocol which we have to give, which we share with their doctor. We talk to their doctor, and they can do it with their own doctor. They don't need to come to our center specifically again. And of course, at the end, we do celebrate their success, which we are all, everyone in our center, we all are really waiting for it.
Yeah, that's true. So like in case there are recurrent miscarriages, 3 हो गए 4 हो गए and then उन्होंने LIT करा लिया, so फिर उनको naturally conceive हो जाता है.
Of course, if everything is fine, like if the tubes are fine, and if say they have a thyroid issue, it is treated, all other factors are treated, absolutely they can conceive naturally.
Immune system का issue
अगर है
correct.
तो definitely they can conceive naturally.
Yeah, so they need to work upon other factors together with immune.
Yeah. We had patients who have had miscarriages, who have unexplained infertility, and they have done IVF. They did the treatment, and when they were in that waiting period, they have conceived naturally.
Oh.
We still remember there was one couple who was referred by a doctor from Ahmedabad, and the couple was from Assam. So from Assam, they used to come to Ahmedabad for IVF. Theirs case was a case of unexplained infertility.
Okay.
So कुछ नहीं हो रहा था. They had 5 IVF failures. So their doctor suggested that they do the therapy with us. So they came and they did the therapy, and then they went back to Assam.
Oh.
And then they were going to go back to Ahmedabad to do the next cycle. So they were waiting for some 2 months. And one day they called up and they said that we have conceived. So we said, "Arey, very congratulations. When did you do the transfer?" They said, "Nahi, naturally ho gaya."
Oh wow.
And they have a son now.
That's a good news.
Yeah.
That's really amazing for couples, right?
Definitely. And that's why we are trying to tell, why do we want to tell that do it early. Don't wait for the pain to develop and further this.
True.
Yeah.
That's true. So डॉक्टर जैसे आपने बताया कि सक्सेस रेट बहुत अच्छा है. So many people will be hesitant कि इम्यून सिस्टम का बात है, कराए कि नहीं कराए, अगर कुछ साइड इफेक्ट हो जाए, क्या सेफ्टी क्या है इस प्रोसेस की, LIT की?
I think this is a very, very important question you asked. Okay. And one thing we have to remember is that immune system has 2 parts. एक उसको हम बोलते हैं immune protection जो होता है, and second is known as immune tolerance. तो हम जो ट्रीट करते हैं, we don't touch immune protection at all.
अच्छा.
हम immune tolerance को ट्रीट करते हैं. So this is the difference. तो जो माँ की immunity होती है, which we only know as immune protection, वो तो normal ही रहती है. And now that's why then the safety. कि safety means we look at major and minor side effects. लेकिन the largest study which has come from Germany of 4,500 cases who did LIT. Okay. And it was a huge study.
Like it's an international process.
Yeah.
Like people are doing it.
Yeah.
A
It
lot.
is being done everywhere.
Yeah.
Now, the process, that study which came up, they found out that neither in the mother nor the baby there were any side effects. Okay. Now, there are minor side effects, some reaction at the injection site, little bit of itching. Yeah. Yeah. But major side effects which we call is like anaphylaxis, mean generalized reactions, and there's something we call as graft versus host disease. So they are not known at all after this procedure.
What is graft versus?
Means rejection of graft is a uh, tissue which is transplanted, and host is the host. So agar ye they start fighting against each other, so
Yeah.
that is one of the thing which everyone is worried about. So in all these cases they have not found a single reaction like that. If that is a if it is done by qualified people in the right way. तो इसके लिए मैंने शुरू में आपको बोला कि what we are and what we do.
Exactly, which is very important.
Yeah, so it should be done by qualified people and in the right way. There are certain international standards.
Okay. To
How you
perform the
inject,
process.
how the process, what are the number of RBCs, platelet. In our center, we have the American machine, which every patient in Mumbai is, we know the exact amount of platelets, white blood cells, lymphocytes, and the red blood cells.
Wow.
So there are international norms which we have to follow. So once we do it, and we are very particular about safety.
Yeah.
We have to do the tests. If the patient said, नहीं मैंने हमने तो infection profile spot test से किया है, नहीं. We are dealing with blood products.
That is
तो हमें तो
safety is
quantitative
needed.
method से ही blood test चाहिए.
Correct.
So we explain to them, this is for your safety we are doing.
Obviously.
Yeah, and once we are like, we can say a sticker for safety. कि safe, whatever we are doing, हम लोग कितनी भी theory करें, ultimately patient safety is important.
That's true.
Yeah, so first we look at whether zaruri hai and then how safe it is. So
Correct.
zaruri is with the blood tests, and safety is because of all the tests we do and the way we do it and follow our international standards. So ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कौन करे और how it is done. So these things and which we have to, and we follow it. We have been following. We have done more than 4,000 cases,
Obviously.
and we are following it for all the patients. So that is what is very important.
So, like, who started LIT?
Yeah.
Like, when the process began?
I was waiting for you to ask this question. Yeah. Ask.
So, how it started?
Okay, so we call there is a doctor called Sir Peter Medawer.
Okay.
He posed a simple question way back in 1953. How does a pregnant woman manage to nourish within herself a fetus that is an antigenically foreign body for many weeks and months?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, he is called the father of reproductive immunology. He was also a Nobel laureate for that.
Oh.
That is where the research began in the US way back in 1953, where they found out that in fraternal twins, means the skin graft was accepted better than in non-fraternal. So that's how the idea came up. And when Sir Peter Medawer asked this question, कि it's a different body, antigenically foreign body we call it, तो वो माँ की body accept कैसे करती?
Right.
So way back in 1953, the research began to be asked. Then in US also there was, when they were doing transplants, kidney transplants, and they had tried this procedure for them to accept the graft. Some of these patients had miscarriages, and the LIT was done on them for them to accept the kidney transplant. And then these patients even continued pregnancy to term.
Oh.
So then the research began, and actually it was Dr. Alan Beer who actually, we can say, fine-tuned the whole procedure. And it was being widely done till 2001 all over the world. In 2001, for some reason, the US FDA wanted more studies, and they kept it on hold. It 2001. Okay, but the doctors in Canada, Mexico, UK, Germany, Australia, China, Japan, everyone is doing it.
Yeah.
And US FDA wants some more studies, which they want in the US itself. It's very difficult to get double-blind trials. Because अगर आपको 5 miscarriages हो और आपको हम बोलते हैं कि आपको हम ट्रायल में लेते हैं, आपको आइदर हम लिम्फोसाइट्स इंजेक्ट करेंगे या सलाइन इंजेक्ट करेंगे. will you sign up for a trial? You say जो करना है मेरे को, मुझे treatment चाहिए, yeah, and मुझे treatment चाहिए. I've come to you for a solution. Yeah, so it's very difficult to get double-blind studies. We call it double-blind RCTs. So now what this is that the patient acts as the control and the patient acts as the test also. So it's called N is equal to 1 studies, statistical studies. So these studies are coming up, which will help us further to definitely tell us कि those patients who took it and didn't succeed, who didn't take it and didn't succeed, and who took it and then succeeded, that those studies are going on. We will get but definitely all other countries are doing it and they're doing it successfully. So China, हमारे country में तो during COVID we were not doing it, but China was doing it even during COVID, and they got some of the best results.
So now like 2001 से अभी क्या फाइन ट्यून हो गया है 2024 when you 2025 when you say कि कितना इम्प्रूव हो गया ये प्रोसेस, कितना सक्सेस रेट इसका बढ़ गया है?
Because a lot of things happened in the sense better tests came up. The difference between immune resistance, immune protection, immune tolerance was clearly understood worldwide, how the immune system works. Because the mother's body accepts only 3 things: her own tissue, there are friendly bacteria. Aapne to, as a dietitian, you know what is friendly bacteria. The mother's body can accept friendly bacteria. And the third is paternal alloantigens. So this became widely accepted. The concept of something called T memory cells came up. So then some centers do it every 15 days for 6 months. But when this concept of T memory cells has come up, we don't really need to repeat the tests. How vaccines are given was better understood. How vaccines work was better understood. So now we have come up to the conclusion that we give it as a single sitting 3-hour procedure. And because of that, then we get the same results.
Convenient. It is also
It's
much
very
more convenient, right? 3 hours is nothing for a process which can solve a history. इतने सालों से जो चला आ रहा है miscarriages का recurrent issues, उसको solve करने के लिए somebody wants to try for a 3 hour, nothing
like that, and don't have to do it every 15 days. Because उसमें क्या patients were being lost. हर 15 दिन में आना है या ये करना है, तो they were being lost. तो
convenience भी नहीं होता ना हर 15 days में जाना, for somebody who stays, you know, it's हमारे यहाँ कैसा traveling is difficult, and in Mumbai,
Why Mumbai? In all our centers, we see patients who have traveled 300, 400 kilometers to do this procedure.
So convenience नहीं है, people will always obviously back out. Ultimately, अगर ये ऐसा है कि 3 hours लग रहे हैं, so it's brilliant.
So that's why we started this simple 5-step process. We do online consultation. Blood tests are done in their own cities. Follow-up call is done. Confirmation is done. Then the patient is booked for LIT. And then we go ahead with the process. So it becomes very convenient for the patient.
So like as in general, if you say कि कितने दिन में आपके कितने हो जाते हैं operations, like a process you can say
so
कि कितने आप कर लेते हैं?
We can do about 16 cases. Yeah, we batch it we start early.
So many people are doing it. In general.
Yeah. So like in Mumbai center, we almost every day we must be doing about 7.
Wow.
So and then in recently we were in Bangalore. Bangalore we do sometimes 20, 18. So we batch it. We are there. We stay in the city for 2 days. We complete it in that. So we batch it in 3 hours. But we can do on one day 16 cases. Yeah.
That's a great number. Like so many people you are helping to achieve. How it feels like, when somebody calls you, okay, Dr. Mugdha, thank you so much, from your help now I have a child. How it feels?
It is the reason what keeps us going. जो खुशी मिलती है ना कि what we are doing. Satisfaction, why we are doing it.
Yeah.
So that satisfaction of that one patient saying, people have reported, इस साल हमारी दिवाली अच्छी गई.
Yeah.
We started the new year with something beautiful in our
Because
hands.
child is a big thing, huh? Like people, those who have kids, they should be very thankful that they have kids. Nowadays, like on a daily basis, like I deal with so many cases when we do consultation. They come to us and they are like, "Ma'am, इतना struggle है, depression में चले गए हैं, कहीं जाना आना छोड़ दिया है." So like in your like profession, आपके केस कैसे cases आते हैं आपके पास?
So as I said, we only deal with these
Miscarriage,
patients.
हाँ.
So we 100% of our practice is that. And we are only listening to their stories. And each patient's story is different.
People must have cried in front of you, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. And there is one common question which is asked to us by every patient is, why were we not told about this before? So
yeah,
that is the reason why, podcasts like
it
this
is
will help
important
people
now.
to educate that
Yeah.
you do it faster, do it earlier on. Like there are doctors who refer to us because we don't do IVF.
Yeah.
They refer to us after IUI and between the next IVF.
Oh, okay.
So
हाँ.
those who their IVF success also improves.
Yeah.
And patient के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा होता है ना कि and some of their patients have conceived naturally.
वो तो बहुत ही अच्छा हो
Yeah,
जाता
so
है.
we always used to tell the doctor that आपकी तो IVF practice खराब हो गई. तो she used to say that, she said no, my practice is actually increased.
Yeah, success rate बढ़ गया.
Success rate बढ़ गया and people are those
More
who
happy
genuinely
about
need
it.
IVF. They know that this doctor only does genuinely will do IVF. So that way the
We
success
will
rate
give
is
the solutions.
Yeah, कि they,
Like
yeah,
कुछ भी हो, success होना चाहिए.
होना चाहिए.
This is the solution.
Yeah.
Go find it.
Find it, yeah.
That's great. So before we end, I would like to ask for our viewers कि किस case को who all should go for LIT और किन लोगों का इससे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो सकता है?
See, we have to remember that it is not for all. Okay? जिनको miscarriages हो रहे हैं, IVF failures हो रहे हैं, IVF miscarriages हो रहे हैं, या unexplained infertility, means सब कुछ normal है, but pregnancy नहीं हो रही है. Then even there are something called pregnancy loss at 20 weeks. 5 महीने में कभी कभी माँ का ब्लड प्रेशर बहुत बढ़ जाता है एंड शी लूजेज द प्रेगनेंसी. लेट प्रेगनेंसी लॉसेस भी हो सकते हैं 7 और 9 months में भी, अनएक्सप्लेन्ड सडनली हार्ट बीट स्टॉप. तो दैट ऑल्सो इम्यूनोलॉजिकल फैक्टर कुड बी एग्जिस्टिंग. तो एनी टाइम इफ दिस हिस्ट्री इज देयर, तो आई वुड से दैट it is best to think about it and investigate early and treat it rather than couples going through a lot of pain and anguish throughout. यानी उनका जो दर्द हम देखते हैं ना, so every case which we are saying, like जो दर्द आप बोलते, every patient has a story to tell. तो वो दर्द कहीं तो हम कम कर सकते हैं. I know the success rate is not 100%.
But at least it is very high.
But
it's very high.
Yeah, but the rate is high in selected cases.
Yeah.
So definitely we must, in these cases, we must definitely think that you have to look at alloimmune factors, and Immunolate may help with these cases.
Yeah, that's true. That's a really good solution for miscarriage, which people were not finding.
Right.
नहीं मिल रहा था लोगों को. कितना ट्राई कर रहे हैं मिसकैरेज IVF करा लिया तो भी मिसकैरेज क्यों? You know, so immune system is a big factor.
Absolutely. Is a big factor, and it helps. Means there are a lot of therapies coming in with the help of the immunology. So this is one of the therapy which is age old. बहुत पुरानी है, but it is very effective because that is how immune tolerance works in the mother's body.
Yeah.
And it is very useful, and definitely it will help more and more patients.
That's good to know. Like, lot learned in this podcast today. Really. So before we end, what you want to tell to our viewers? क्या कहना चाहोगे आप?
I would like to say one thing. Don't get disheartened. Think early that immunological problem, ये तो episode आप देखेंगे ही, but keep it in mind. If anyone you know, or if not you, but there's someone else who would be needing it, and tell them about it. Connect to us. We are there to help.
Yeah.
So that आपको जो or whoever you know is going through so much pain will be able to help them earlier.
Yeah.
And their hope जो हम हमेशा बोलते हैं turning hope into parenthood.
Yeah.
तो hope ना रह जाए. Let it get some answer.
Correct. And talking about this topic was very important. Many people are not speaking about it.
Yes.
They are not coming like, no, this is something which they are very ashamed of कि कैसे बात करें इसके बारे में. But it is important now. When I also speak to couples and I see them crying in front of me, I feel really bad about it. That what I can do to help them. So that is the reason we called you, that this is important. Let's speak about it. If it can help like 5 out of 10, even if we can help together 5 out of 10, this will really be a blessing for all of us.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's true.
And there's one topic I really wanted to say, that this LIT therapy can be done even in pregnancy.
Oh.
Yeah, we have done, abroad also it is done. We have done cases and pregnancy has continued to term. I remember very well, one patient came from interior Maharashtra. She traveled, she was 3 months pregnant. She had lost 2 children at 20 and 24 weeks of pregnancy. 5 and 6 महीने में उसका ब्लड प्रेशर बहुत हाई हो जाता था. शी वॉज प्रेग्नेंट 3 months. वो 300 kilometers ट्रैवल करके मुंबई आई. शी गॉट द ट्रीटमेंट डन एंड लेट मी टेल यू, शी हैड अ कम्प्लीटली अनइवेंटफुल प्रेगनेंसी और उसको अभी एक बेटा है. तो डोंट लूज होप, बिकॉज क्या होता है कभी कभी पेशेंट आते हैं कि अरे हमें प्रेगनेंसी टेस्ट पॉजिटिव हुई, अभी वी डोंट वांट टू लूज. सो इफ यू आर लेट, डोंट वरी, LIT can be done even in pregnancy.
Oh, that's really good to know. That's a good thing. Thank you so much, doctor, for telling us about everything and giving us a solution to miscarriage. And let's hope that we together help millions of couples all over the world. Let's capture.
Absolutely. And I'm really grateful to Fertility Dost and Shahala for inviting me on this podcast, and so that we could share a topic which is very close to our heart. And as you say, even 10 में से 5 लोगों को भी we could help. Our purpose is,
it will be a blessing, because when you are not in this field, you don't feel this is important. But once you enter this field and you see couples in front of you telling you everything, you cannot back out. You feel that we have to do this. We have to help millions of people out there. Those who are rural areas में इतने लोग हैं जो परेशान हैं, they don't know the solution. They are like, हम कुछ भी करेंगे, we will do everything. आप हमें solution बताओ. So we can help them together. That's very true. So thank you so much, Dr. Raut. You came here and you helped. Like, I believe that हमने काफ़ी लोगों तक हमारी बात पहुंचा दी होगी. And I hope that वो लोग देखें जो need में हैं. And we should reach them. So thank you so much for coming, and on behalf of Fertility Dost, I thank you for coming here. And let's continue this.
Absolutely.
And I am hoping to see you again here with some new topics which people want to know.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.